Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I'm going to show you a neat idea of how you can create a math game in Scratch. So if you actually go to our BootUp account and you scroll down to the studios that I curate, and you click View All, it will load a bunch of different studios. And if you scroll down further, you can find different subject areas. So if you're interested in integrating a project with art or maybe with music, you can click on those. But I want to show you a neat idea related to math. So when you click on this, it shows that we currently have 16 projects inside this Math Integration Studio. Now the project that I want to show you is called Multiplication Game, and it is by bbass63, who I actually know in real life. They're really cool. Okay, so let's see how this game works. Full screen, green flag. All right, so you have to try and guess what the multiplication is and what the answer is. So if I get it correct, then I move forward, but if I get it wrong, then I don't move at all. So I have to try and keep getting these correct in order to actually make it across the screen before the sun gets across the screen. And again, if I get it wrong, then it doesn't work. So whoever gets to the other side first will win, and then the other sprite will lose, and it will stop the code. So let's take a look at that. So I click See Inside, and it's going to pick random numbers, the first number and the second number. It's then going to combine them, and it's going to ask the question and check to see if the answer is correct. And then it'll tell you yes or no. So correct or sorry. And so it does this while the snowman is constantly moving across the screen, and the sun is moving across the screen. And whoever gets there first touches the edge on the other side will make it so that the person either loses if it's the sun, or that you win if it's the snowman that gets across the other side. So that's a pretty neat idea, right? If you have a neat idea, make sure you share it in the comments below, because I'd love to take a look at your projects. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.